everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. As always, I remain loyal. So there's the first day you're coming across this channel for the first time. This is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, as you can see, we bring the latest and we bring the happening all over the globe. And in this channel also, we react to all videos. Yes, all videos. And I do hope you join the family. Right now, this video you are about to watch, I don't know what you felt about this video, but I hope you do pick some sense from this video. All right, let's dive into the news in details. Yes, my wonderful people, Mazi NNAMDI kanu has done it again. These are the type of words that we want to hear. The clear analysis of how the election need to be conducted in Nigeria. But no, due to selfish reason and everything they have in their head to cheat and to sell off the election, that is why they don't want anybody to vote in his or her comfort zone. They want people to come to the election center where they can manipulate and shoot guns and discharge everybody from there. So, Mazi NNAMDI kanu is here to explain when they finally got Biafra, what will happen. When they finally got Biafra, how it will be, how the election is going to take place. How, oh my God, this man is full of wisdom. He's full of wisdom. His words are so sweet. And he knows how to position everything. So, just a little patient. When Biafra comes, you guys will see the difference. All right, my wonderful family, let it not be that I talk too much. Let me drop the video so we'll watch it together, and I will be right back. I'm from New Delhi, India. I am from Uli.
Calls are coming in. They won't even allow us to. Let me take this very call and see who is there. The caller on signal, can you hear me? The caller on signal, can you hear me? No, they cannot hear me. They cannot hear me, but I can hear them.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you, please.
Good morning. My name is Mrs. Robert. Mrs. Onajite.
Mrs. Onajite, thank you very much, and welcome to the program. And where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Germany.
From Germany, please go ahead. The world is listening. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. I want to ask a question concerning what is going on in Ebonyi State now.
Yes, go ahead.
In Nizar place. So, because we know you are a leader and you are a father, I know you cannot side the one person and leave the other side.
Yes, I want.
Like what is going on in Ebonyi State in Nizar now?
What is happening?
Devomine is siding one side and people are dying.
What were... Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
So many people have died in our house, and my father's house have gone down, and Devomine is doing nothing about it. So many people are dying. So, sir, I want to ask...
Why is this attack? No, hold on. I want to ask you first. Why is this attack? Is it Fulani terrorists, Miet Yala, Fulani terrorists that is carrying out these attacks? Or is not them?
No, it's not a Fulani. It's something concerning land. Land
dispute?
Yes.
Do you know how this problem started with this very land? Who started the problem?
What brings this issue? These people don't have the mind to stand Izar people to fight or to destroy people property. It's their mind that is giving them mind and giving them the power to fight Izar people and gone. Because what happened before, that is why Devomine have the mind since he entered the power. Like the person they catch among the people fighting Izar people, he confessed that it's Devomine that is giving them mind, giving them gun to fight and destroy people property and killing innocent people.
So Dave UMAHI is aware of what is happening on the ground, but I don't know why our people should be fighting That is one thing that the Fulani that is one thing they do very well. Why should our people be fighting over land? And Fulani people are in our land, invading, killing, pillaging, raping, and occupying our forests in Ebonyi State. And we are busy fighting one another. What I want to know is the genesis of the problem. Is this problem a relatively new thing, or has it been there from time? This land dispute.
Yeah, it has been happening so much in so many long times. But now, the way it is now, Devomai is the person supporting them.
Okay, very good. And we know what we're going to do.
Later, what is going on about what's concerning the issue.
Very good, please. I would love to hear it. I would love to hear it. Because we don't, we are factually accurate here. I don't want us, if people are having land dispute or communal clashes, so to speak, we are now saying that the Janjaweed are attacking us. We must be absolutely clear as to what is happening. Absolutely clear. And thank you for bringing this very clarity to this issue this morning. The fighting going on in Ebonyi State, a sitting governor is encouraging people to be fighting one another. Unbelievable. I don't know what is it with our people, some of our people, and land. The land will be there. The land was there before we came. The land will be there after we are all gone, because every living thing one day is going to die. The caller on the line, can you hear me? On signal, can you hear me? Your name and where you are, please.
Good morning, our great leader.
Good morning to you.
Yes, my name is Mazi. I am calling from Republic of Ghana.
You are in Ghana, the place that Twitter have decided to site their headquarters in Africa. Because Twitter came and said, we thought that Nigeria is the giant of Africa. We never knew it was a shithole. Now they have packed their bags and gone to Ghana to establish. Please go ahead, we are listening.
Yes, sir. My simple question is this. With the manner our governors are doing in the land of Biafra, the way other people are sabotaging us, doing everything humanly possible, aiding and abetting, serving the Fulani Janjaweeds to get their conquest. I am suggesting, is it not high time we give them a shaking hand so that when others see that we have attacked them, they have a visible attack on them, or anything that is connected and related to them? I think it will help us and give a warning to other people who might migrate newly to do the same thing they are doing.
That is true. I entirely agree with you, but that time hasn't come yet. What we are doing right now is to face the enemy. But all the traitors and saboteurs within, when their time comes, they'll be dealt with. In fact, some of them are being dealt with as we speak. But it's not everything that we're going to announce live on air, and they understand it, that our freedom is of paramount importance. We want nothing else more than our freedom. There is nothing else we desire more than the freedom for we Biafrans. And we are going to do, we are doing everything humanly possible to make sure that that is the case. Thank you very much for calling. Thank you very much for calling.
Again, sir, there's another thing. It's like a question and like a contribution.
Go ahead.
As they are parading themselves in this 2023 conquest of Igbo president and this, is it not wise enough for us to seal down anything about campaign, anything about whatever that their ambition in the Biafran land? Because the more we give them that space to do their campaign and do whatever rubbish they are doing, they are thinking that they have arrived. Can't we stop every campaign in Igbo land? Because we are not part of Janjaweed and we cannot allow their campaign in our land.
Yes, what you have said is absolutely critical. But there is one mistake we don't want to make. There is one mistake we are not going to make. The mistake is this. You don't know these people. You know that democracy and democratic discourse is a universal concept, or should I say, that is what the West is trying to, should I say, promote all over the world. What they want to do, in essence, is to try as much as possible to say that we are anti-democratic forces That's what they want to do. Once you say to the US, to EU, and all the rest of them that these people do not believe in democracy, you become an enemy of the world. That is why we cannot take that very route. But if they rig any elections that they have, then we have every legitimate right to express our grievances. But I do understand what you're saying. Our Yoruba brethren are saying also that there's not going to be any elections in 2023 unless, they discuss referendum, which is where we stand at the moment. But we must be very, very careful not to do anything that will allow the zoo to go to the Biden administration or to go for Britain to help them to go to Europe to say that these are anti-democratic forces. Once we do that, they will try as much as they can to shut us down. So we must proceed very, very cautiously. Very, very cautiously. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much for that. There are, of course, the useless Facebook. They are cracking and trying to make our life difficult, as always. They are trying to make our